Why does a ghost from 1980 feel more alive than a modern AAA guard? Most developers think AI is about smart pathfinding, but great AI is actually about predictability versus personality. Today, we're speed running the evolution of game AI, from the logic of Pac-Man to the goal-oriented planning of F.E.A.R, ending with the Unreal Engine 5.7 state trees and an LLM NPCs that are changing the game in 2026. Let's look at the OG. Pac-Man didn't use AI in the modern sense. It used finite state machines, FSMs. But the magic was in the targeting. Blinky, red, literally targets the player's exact tile. Pinky, pink, targets 4 tiles ahead of you to intercept. Inky, blue, is the wild card. He uses a vector between Blinky and the player. The dev take. If you're an Unreal dev, this is the switch-on enum logic in your tick function. It's cheap, it's fast, but it's brittle. If you add 10 more states, your code becomes a spaghetti mess of transition logic. In 2005, F.E.A.R blew our minds. They didn't hard code if X, do Y. They used GOAP, goal-oriented action planning. Instead of a flowchart, you give the AI a list of actions, each with preconditions and effects, and a goal. Goal, kill player. Action, shoot. Precondition, gun must be loaded. Action, reload. Precondition, have ammo. The AI uses a search, the same thing we use for pathfinding, to find a path through these actions to satisfy the goal. The dev take, this decoupled everything. You could add a jump through window action and the AI would automatically include it in a plan if it was the cheapest way to get to the player. It looked brilliant, but it was just math. Now in 2026, we've moved past basic behavior trees. In Unreal 5.6 and 5.7, state trees are the new king. They combine the hierarchical organization of a tree with the performance of a state machine. But the real flex right now, LLM integrated NPCs. We aren't just using ChatGPT to write dialogue anymore. We're using small language models, SLMs, locally on the GPU to parse player intent. The workflow, the player speaks. LLM converts voice to a JSON tag, e.g., in action, angry, target, gate. This tag triggers a specific state in your Unreal state tree. The dev take. We're moving from scripted to agentic. Use the mass entity framework for crowds and state trees for your hero, NPCs to keep the performance high. Game AI isn't about making a perfect brain. It's about giving the player a fair challenge they can understand. Your next step. If you're still using basic behavior trees, open up the State Tree plugin in UE 5.7 today. It's faster, cleaner, and it's where Epic is putting all their R&D. What's the most human AI moment you've ever seen in a game? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more dev breakdowns. See you in the viewport.